Lesson 27 for pre-calculus. We're going to jump right into the examples. You look at example number 1. Okay, in your book on page 190, it says evaluate 4 times the cosine of 135 degrees. Now here's what we're going to do. On our graph, our starting point is always going to be right here. We start everything right here. And since it's positive 135 degrees, that means if we go around in a circle, I'm going to go up. Okay, now, from here is 0 degrees. We know that here is 180 degrees. From here to here, that would be 90 degrees. So 135 degrees. If I go, it's going to put me somewhere inside this quadrant. Now, what we do is we draw what's called a vector. Okay. Mentioned this a little bit in algebra too. We draw our vector. That's what direction it's going in. Now, to solve the magnitude, or we want to solve this side, what we're going to always do is draw a vertical line always down to the x-axis and make a triangle. Okay, we're going to do that every single time. The way I describe it is for every quadrant, no matter what quadrant it's in, you're going to do that vertical line. So actually, if you were to draw triangles the right way in every one, okay, you would have a bow tie. Okay, we do not want to connect it to the y-axis. Okay, we're going to connect it to the x-axis. All right, now if I went 135 degrees, okay, from here to here is 135 degrees. Okay, I am some degrees short of 180. If I went to here, it would be 180. Now I am actually 45 degrees short. So from here to here would be 45 degrees. And that's the angle we're going to put in there. Now this is called the related angle. Okay, right in that triangle. And that's 45 degrees. And that's going to help me to solve this triangle. Now, if this is 45, this is 45. And what we have is our 45, 45, 90. So what we have is 1, 1, and a hypotenuse of square root of 2. Okay, now we still haven't solved the cosine of 135. Well, that's going to be, we're going to solve that by the triangle. So now 4 times the cosine of this angle. Cosine, we're always in reference to the angle inside the triangle. Be that angle, that angle, that angle, or that angle, depending on which quadrant I'm in. So the cosine of this is adjacent over hypotenuse. So it's going to be 4 times 1 over square root of 2. Okay, so that's going to give me 4 over the square root of 2. Multiply, because we don't want a radical in our denominator, by the square root of 2 over square root of 2. Will give me 4 square root of 2 over 2. So then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Simplify to 2 square root of 2. All right, that's example number 1.